Welcome to Crypto Miner Consultations, Hosting, and Repairs. Today we're going to go ahead and install this TTL cable here to USB. Now we already went ahead and replaced this 3-prong here. Now the red cable we do not use. The white cable, it goes to T or TXD. And the black cable here, it goes to ground or uart. And the green cable goes to RXD or R. So we'll go ahead and install them. So again, the red one we don't use. The white one, it goes to TXD. The black one, it goes to ground. And the green one, it goes to RXD. Now this is a multi-functional test fixture here, so it's a universal test fixture. There you have it. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. Hope you enjoy.